So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And click on yes. Now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now as the scan is running, for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth and click on enter. And then you want to run both of these scans. Now as both these scans are running, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then next to Windows Update, you want to click on run. And that's going to detect problems. If it finds anything, it will fix it for you. Now once you complete this and both the CMD scans, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.